Okay, we're going to be making a patriotic cake today. I'm going to go ahead and fill this bag. I've already mixed up some water with my spackle because it was really dry spackle. Instead of doing paint, I just went ahead and did water. And this is the red cake I did at Christmas. I just cut the top part off because I'm going to make a Victorian pink cake out of that, because this is too big for my displays. Probably have to get more spatula made up. We're going to go with this right now. So what I did was I painted this white. This was the cake. I think y'all remember seeing it. So I went ahead and cut this off. And put new spackle on this earlier today, and I just went up with lines because I wanted it that kind of cake. And then I twirled it on top. Don't know what I'm doing, just doing what I want to do. I think it looks good. So right now I'm going to use my hot glue gun because I'm having trouble, or I have had trouble finding a dish to put this on. So I'm using a Dollar Tree pizza pan, and it's way too little. I did order from Amazon some blueberries and some strawberries, so it's going to have blueberries and strawberries on it. It's going to be a 4th of July cake. It's been so long I don't even remember which tips do what. So we're just going to pick the tip and we're going with it. Come on, Carolsue. Not too much water, I think. As long as it gets it around it, I don't care. I'm not going to put anything on the bottom. Okay, give me a minute, Riri. Give me a second. I'm almost done. I'm almost on a final spin. Okay. It didn't finish the way it started. Now you got icing on you, baby. I started good, and then I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay, I got some more mixed up, and I'm just gonna, instead of trying to hump it, I made it a little thicker, I think, this time. Got a lot more, so I'm probably gonna try to swirl it this way. That's what we're gonna try. Yeah, I did make it a little thicker, I could feel. Ooh. Ordering. Give me a minute, Rain, okay? Didn't realize I was at the end. It's not too ugly. I didn't get a bunch of blueberries. I think the strawberries I'm going to put on the sides. There's the strawberries. I couldn't find my strawberries from last year. Does that look alright? Well, I'm going for it. Point it more upward. Okay. And try to keep us even. Okay, now let's go around here, which I don't think I did. Let's try to put it right in the middle of those. I know I got the measurements off. But I'm not a professional cake decorator, and I don't think any of y'all are either, because if you were, you wouldn't be watching me for sure. Because you'd be like, what's that girl doing? Yeah, I knew I got it off. It's okay. Don't have to use them all on here. Okay. So that's going to be my strawberries. I think that looks good enough. I need to put some dollops on top. I like the swirl I did. Don't ask me what it is. It's just a mess. Makes me want to go make a cake. Put some fresh strawberries on it. They ain't the prettiest blueberries I ever seen. So let's see. Okay, like I said, ain't the prettiest. I guess you go up. Yeah, we're going up with these blueberries. It's a little far from me. Should I put a strawberry in the middle? Yeah, we're going to put a strawberry in the middle. Asking y'all like y'all going to answer me before I post the video, huh? Nothing's permanent. You can always rip it back out. Can y'all see? Oh my goodness. Hopefully that was enough for y'all to see a little bit of it. So 1, 2. What if I put a dollop here between every strawberry? Hold on. And when I'm done, I'm going to take it in the house. Come on, Carolsue. Inside out, inside out. Come on. You always make your circles in icing from the inside to the out. I don't know why I'm trying to sit there and go outside in. Okay, y'all, should I... Is that good? No, it looks like it's got too much blue on top, don't it? I'm just going to go with more strawberries up here, I think. Okay, we're going with that. This one doesn't have a thing. Okay there, y'all. That's all I'm doing to it. I hope it looks okay. This is my red, white, and blue cake. I should just put blueberries there. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Just put blueberries there where I messed it up. And this will be the front of my cake. There we go, it's done. I'm going to let it dry a little bit and I'm taking it inside. Hope y'all liked it.